Good morning and welcome. This is your dog Super MC, Highland Park, Detroit hip hop scene forever. Almighty Dreadnought, Iron Fist for life, Titan Records artist. What's up, y'all? It's only a couple days to the release of Infinity, to the release of Eternity, till you get your peek into forever. The Mortal, June 17th. Hey, the show is at the Original Hip Hop Shop. You know what I'm saying? It's from 9 p.m. to 2 a.m. Its entry is $5. This is powered by Titan Records, The Movement, and Prime Immortality Clothing. First 20 people that says, I'm with Soup, Be Immortal, Titan Records, Team Movement, they get in free. This event will be hosted by my girl and my brother, my girl Redbone, my brother Conflict. On the ones and twos would be DJ Vicious Vic, DJ Los, and my dog DJ What's up, baby? Special guest performances would be my dog Omega J, Nick Speed, the President, Jimmy Hoffa, you know, my boy Sonny Cartel. Miss Peace Bell will be in the house. D Hard, the motherfucking queen. Alias P Knuckle and Slaughter, aka ARES. My girl Infinity Coleman. My man Prize, Scribe called Prize will be in there. My baby, my sister Coco Butterfly. My girl Brenda Williams will be in the house performing. My dog Hooligan from Titan Records and Valid from Titan Records will be definitely in the building getting it in. Also, earlier that day, between 4 p.m. and 6, I will be at Spectacles. At Spectacles, Detroit, from 4 to 6. That's 230 East Grand River in Harmony Park, downtown Detroit. If you want to call and come down there and mess with your boy and cop some of the records that's already there, or cop my latest, The Immortal. The number is 313-963-6886. You know what I'm saying? You can get online at www.spectacles.com, the store. Hours is from Monday to Saturday, 11 a.m. to 6 p.m. Also, man, your boy is in the Metro time. Shout out to my dog, Kyle. You know what I'm saying? My G. You know, you can pick that up, man, and see your boy, you know what I'm saying, 20 years in the making, man. I've been out here working, dog. Working, bro. You know what I'm saying? So, also, we got the Be Immortal shirts to be on sale. You know what I'm saying? You can cop them along with the CD. Also, we still got the I'm with Soup meme contest going. So, it's going to be 3 select winners from that. The 3 winners will get an Immortal package, you know what I'm saying, from your boy, you know what I'm saying. So keep your memes up, keep doing the I'm with Soup, Be Immortal, hashtagging and all that. And you know, it's been a long time coming, man. I've been working on this project, and I'm just hoping the whole city comes out and fuck with your boy, man, because this is something else. This is something different. I'm just shout out to my whole team, Titan Records, the Dreadnoughts, everybody that you know, supported, you know what I'm saying, the project and been supporting me over the years, you know what I'm saying, whole HP, whole Detroit, you know what I'm saying, my family, my friends, you know what I'm saying, the fans and all that. What up, Hex? R.I.P. Big Proof, baby. R.I.P. J Dilla, baby. Blade, Breed, Wipeout, shit, Art in the Dark. Nigga, all my family members that I lost this year alone. My Aunt Kathy, I miss you, Ma. You know what I'm saying? Brick, Thump, you know what I'm saying? Terry, miss y'all. Uncle Sandy, you know what I'm saying? Uncle Stanley, miss y'all. You know what I'm saying? Pops, I miss y'all. You know what I'm saying? I just hope y'all come out and fuck with your boy June 17th at the Hip Hop Shop. That's 15736 West 7 Mile Road. You know what I'm saying? It's the birthplace of Detroit hip-hop, the cornerstone of what we call the sacred grounds, you know what I'm saying, of Detroit music. So, I can't wait to see y'all there. The Immortal be coming out in, in 6 days. On the 6th day, God created man. I'm here. I'm here forever. So I see y'all, man. June 17th at the Hip Hop Shop. Peace. I'm with Soup. Be immortal. Live forever.